Okay, thanks for checking in. The question is, and I did it already before with the Knipex, made a video on this little guy, you know, tools that you could put in a little compact carrying case, right? Or kit. Well, my question is, when you receive a nice screwdriver like this, the Wera 818, we all know about this guy, right? Can take out, you know, locks in your bits. Speaking of bits, all your bits. And I'm going to be honest with you. That's the only downfall. I lost one down there, I see it. But you better have your hands out like this when you open this bad boy out, okay? After you use this, you'll get the hang of it. Now, I've had this, I don't know, 6 months already. Never did a vid on it. You've probably seen it in other videos, but it is the ultimate screwdriver, right? And I popped this in my tote, my carrying tool box, whatever I'm using that day. And then what do you do with this thing? It's decent built, right? Got the belt loop. Velcro, very good. And, you know, it's worthy. I mean, you're paying for this. And it's just been sitting there eyeballing me right where I keep all my other stuff, right there. Not being used, right? So I made a video on the Knipex, jammed a bunch of tools that are from different manufacturers, made a vid on this, and you guys seem to like it because it's small, it's compact. Maybe you only need a certain amount of tools to take with you that day or whatever your deal is, right? So I happen to have opportunity where I only needed a couple tools, and I'm like, you know, I'm going to use this thing. It's good quality, right? So what I came up with, you can go with a couple different things. First, the ultimate Leatherman Wave Plus. Yeah, this guy has it all, right? So most of the tools, I mean, you could stick this in your pocket. If you have a belt clip, which I do, it's somewhere around here. This is all you need. However, I've already mentioned, you know, these tools come in handy, some of them, just in case, right? I think the quality tools are, of course, the needle nose pliers, the wire cutters, the knife blade, you know, maybe the saw, and then you get into the awl and you start going down the list, and you're probably not going to use it that often, right? But I own 2 of these, so I figured, hey, I can kill a lot of purposes just with this guy, right? Oop. Number 2, flashlight. You always need a flashlight. And in this, I had another Olight that you could slap in there versus this, God, I forget who makes this knife. It's been a while since I used it. The Tough Light. Jesus, it's going to kill me. I forget the manufacturer. Go to the video if you're interested, okay? So that fits in there. Now, here's another light. It's a Thrunite. Kind of like an Olight, like the cheapie. But this one's got a hat clip or pocket clip. That thing can sit right there. Stay out of the way. All right? Next, the Kraftform. Okay? This does have a screwdriver. All right? And if you get the Leatherman attachments and whatnot, I'm going to tell you what. This is a lot better than this thing. You know, in the description, tell me I'm wrong. But anytime you can have something that represents an actual screwdriver that can hold your bits and lock them in, right? A lot more handle than a Leatherman tool, and then definitely a lot more bits. This bad boy can fit right in, okay? What is the next thing? I'm missing one other thing. Oh, this guy. You've seen him in a couple other videos. I'm going to order another one of these things. Because having this ratcheting wrench system, and then I could put all the bits that are in this into this. And if I ever wanted to get rid of this Leatherman, because I do carry a knife, well, maybe might carry small bits that will fit. They fit right inside. So again, I'm giving you some ideas depending on your purposes. I've already checked, yes, a 6-inch Knipex Cobra will fit in there also. So I'm trying to give you some ideas, but I'm thinking, and I did this the other day, it worked out perfect. Okay, what's nice, like I said, the Velcro is really great on this thing. I mean, you could strap this to your belt, you're off to the races, or I don't know if you choose to. Let's put some of the stuff back in where it's originally supposed to be. On your pouch, this one in particular comes with, you know, where you could put your tape rolls or whatever. You could decide to do this. And it's, you know, it's clipped in. It's ready to go versus buried down inside. Now again, I'm just showing you, you could do this. But if you are the type of person that just wants to be very minimal and carry what you think you need that day. And I imagine if you're, you know, one of those guys, you're not too far away from your truck where you have other tools, but you're just carrying the necessary things that might help you out. You know, why let these sit and collect dust? There you go. It's like it's a wallet. You just open up like this and you can get to things that you need, you know? Flashlight, you know, you got your bits. Just kind of the same thing as this one here. So, I don't know. There's other manufacturers that make things that you get free all the time, and then either you ditch it or it just sits there. Well, come up with another use. You know, especially if you're a minimalist guy, EDC carry dude. I don't know. Right there. So, if you like it, give it one of these. And again, thanks for watching. Have yourself a great day.